Ini Tripamokani, founder, the chairman, Maharaj, Boni policy, one of the policy ini, our samung tanitomo, obono, I respect, I honor, Boni bagina tini ang bono kambio, tai tini je Tripamokau pai join trainai, jotono ang ani kabai jotono ang lamsogo. Tini orang menjaga tini TK di sini Honorable Chairman CM, tai tini Honorable Ministers, Bravo Tong, Joto MLA, MDC, EM, ex-MLA, ex-CM, ex-EM Beto, tai Beroli leaders, the youth leaders, or public, district, nijato ang kakahami mo. Ang sotoy mo ito ang jalo. What was my career? Where I started my career? Where I am today? My full happiness is still today. Today is lightning here. Tinuro, all that is to me to Obana is joy, there is the joy in my heart and mind. Boniboy tini, Taimisa tini, Maharaj na kakambio. Let God bless him richly. He should have long life and lead our people of Tripura so that we can visualize our heart and mind. This is Tripura. The people of Tripura rule for 1,000 years without break. Today, we have to exhibit our reality, our existence to the world, that we are united. In my whole life, till today, I am able to walk. Today, I'm 80 plus away tongka, and oh, young life na muito away, and 3 stories personally. Life ay itabo bongga dito. Kasi ko, sini Honorable Chairman, sini one of the revolutionary spirited Borokbo, Taku, Jagadish Devarma, bot use so Tongoy, Jumbai Andun Kainai, Tayorone, Okara Chakra, Juda Juda Party Uthanka, Bravo. And his Kaisano experience. Johanchum regional party to we feel we are deprived. We feel we are excluded. We are rejected. I know Baka Undago. Kintu Klaitai. Chini Bakao Taibo Kutuima Payo, Taibo satisfaction Payo. The very service I will be rendering, which will have a fruit. The fruit is not only mine, the fruit is for all of us. Abandadi Narani, a object of life, my young leaders, there are youth leaders, one thing I like to appeal. You must be very honest. Tai kuno jagawa tata ko masaya. Ang jibono. Obono kaisa ni one of the additional strength I have been able to explore is truth. You shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. Kuboy nung manay sinay, kuboy nung no. Freedom nilai, nung freedom na, opo ni bagay ang joto na makoyo, ani simple life, ang height ni paya, onek isu yung dedicate kay na mo, Tini narazo di dedicate kay mangkla. Chung bahay te ADC tum kaba. Just minute na ang kisa reference masanay. Morarji Desai jokon Prime Minister ongo. Apuro ang North Eastern Regional Party Forum ni kopi yang ta ang Manipur thang Nagaland thang Mizoram thang Meghalaya apuro Meghalaya koroi Assam. Okay? Regional Party for North Eastern dito the Hills People Party to as Apollo Meghalaya to Kabra apuro Meghalaya kriko naraw de yang tini silong ito ay nakapura kayo apuro u silong Meghalaya kriko abo Assam se undivided Assam apuro Governor House of Shillong ang butangka jetu North Eastern Regional Party uses for regional party pa apuro tini nam truk apuro realize ma kayo ang Maharashtra po sa apuro Nicole Soy to mo the DDPU to mo Chief Minister Meghalaya Hoping Stone MP to mo Pierre Kindia abobo North Eastern Regional Party Secretary Mizoram ni Manipur ni MP to mote Mizoram ni Chief Minister Brigadier T. Sailo bini Deputy Payo Morarji Desai no ang Malaipur na ako sini regional party members ng Saka. You must help me out. You know about Tripura. We are sinking. We have no future. We are sinking today and we have been called as communion. Chun communion ang maya. Ani zati ni bagi ang kok saray. Ano communion kalar kaya ani bakano sikri dito ka. I never fear. Ang kriya. Abon bagay. Apuro Morarji Desai abon. At the time allow kay ka. Yes, please tell me. Apuro ang kok no sa. Sir. We are nowhere in Tripura. Our people in Tripura, the Tripuris, are going to be eliminated. We will be soon landless on our own soil. Because of the influx of refugees from the East Pakistan. East Pakistan Tongpulo, Aruni Burok Payo. Okay. Morarji Desai bo खूब जोड़ी का बहाई तो वो प्लेटफॉर्म हो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजनल पार्टी फोरम में प्लेटफॉर्म हो त्रिपुरा को भाई था और खूब पूर का हो बुध बुलाई ले ना ही हमको बखाल ठीक रखा है नाम बोल रहा है मुझे या तो भाई तो बता बस वो जोड़ी का किंतु लोगे निकोल स्ट्रॉल ने बुफा Bobo constituent committee member apura all Indian Ambedkar the committee to money constitution member apura all Nicolson Bufabo member. Okay, apo jokon saka apura kisi sa Morarji Desai tuloy ka kisa marunong ka apura ang kuna ni bakaw isap tuloy tinino last few years ani bakaw po strike mo tama bagay Morarji Desai masuk joli ka ba bo binisito yung mo ubutay history bini background binisito yung mo ino bo joli ka na ara mahigat ang ko sikla ba কিন্তু ang domang khade apuro bharat সংবিধান ত্রিপুরা গ্রহীত আপro প্রধানমন্ত্রী অংথং যে কোনো ক্যাবিনেট মিনিস্টার অংথং ত্রিপুরা গণাং ভারত সংবিধান অংয়াকো আপro ত্রিপুরা free sovereign state of Maharashtra chini ত্রিপুরা যে রাজানি ডাইনেস্টি তো নাই ব্রাউন और रूल ट्राइबल बागे ত্রিপুরা ni map India গ্রহীত সংবিধান abo habyako apuni sen one of the borok thing kita mo gay nung kasi rungyong na nai ke ulog do mane ka after merger ni ulo se Tripura ni bumu Bharat Samvidhano amendment khai hapka unke wo pradhan mantri oi Bharat Samvidhano sioi na bo jore kata tamo ke Tripura ni to boro phainai na boni bagai amoro ko bangsa ni phaiya. I am happy tini se Maharashtra ni netrite bo Tripura mo kata bo jore tongmani abono na ragrina ni nalai এবং every blessing tini botongo ani botongo je hama tongsa tini jati tini hari bagai samun tanani jeng samai tangi habda tini plus 80 ani paro ba 84 85 ko tong kai ni sa itu ani baba wale hapora lungia pa Saint Paul so kore puro ani the date of birth mani aro tong kong rai ang 80 besi lai baya ko hai puro asal baya boro konek gurbolo mui thango narauni suri ni mani bagai no ang waino ira bagai puro tini oro baca mano I can eat kamati okay de jong khainai narau juda party ni juda jaga ni ang puno narau chungba joto ka thansa je narau tini regional party tongjak sa narau boksa in time narau tini de separate untuk je kuno ekta constitution na to amend khai di boy de Tripura ni bagai tai ko sa phan khai ekta different ekta challenge ekta new issue to khai narau bai to together we will have to fight one point to be joto lo ka bisa kha bribo narau family bai ang asal sanai na je narau no konglai ani je about 80 plus of money I am still at the age of 40 and 50 so I believe it may be emotional but still we can create lot of new idea lot of new things kaisana let us try to speak let us try to do anything without telling lies. Tatal Saklek into we are climbing 2 steps. When I tell lies, I come down to 3 steps down. Goodbye, nung karaiba. Nung kok sutuma sanay, ninihan nini zatilo nai, nung tatal samayong nai, then in no time binding, the achievement, nung manay. Kasi nung sa way, ani ko, oro kay karaka, joto no, hambay,